I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
Dahil nga sa bawat post patungkol sa ating Donnie at Belle ay talagang pinag-uusapan, lalong-lalo na nga ang post ng Tatler PH na kung saan ito nga ang ating Donnie ay Asia's Most Stylish 2024, na kung saan ay sobrang gwapo nga dito ng ating Donnie Pangilinan, na kahit nga itong ating Belle ay for the puso na nga rin sa post na ito ng ating Donnie. At kagabi nga guys ay spotted nga itong ating Donnie kasama si Ella at Hannah. Ayon nga dito, Donnie Pangilinan is spotted at the green belt with Hannah and Ate Ella. Cuties. So this on our GC Don Bell Rizal chapter, na kung saan ay para pala ito sa Tatler Asia's Most Stylish, na talaga namang full itong ating Donnie Pangilinan. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Maraming salamat po, Tatler Philippines. Everyone looks great tonight. Such an honor to be amongst such amazing people in this list. So it's truly something very humbling, and I'm very grateful. Fun fact, growing up in the household, before we would go to any of our lakads, nakatok muna ako sa kwarto ng siblings ko, si Hannah at si Ella. And sasabihin ko, how do I look? And they're the ones gonna judge my passion, so I'm so happy they're here right now also, Hannah and Ella. I've been experimenting with fashion and my style, especially these past few years, and I'm very grateful that John Lozano is here as well, because he's one of the guys who really pushed me to think about my own style and what I like and what I'm comfortable wearing, and to